Okay, Toyota Vellfire 2015 onward, installed for Convex Android Master series, 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, DSP function 4G with OEM good fitting big screen casing. Okay, and OEM socket plug and play. Connect with original reverse camera. So you have to add on a camera in socket. So after change the casing, this one the button will gone. It's got a space to put in a card or C-ring. Okay, show you for the connect to reverse camera, original reverse camera. Okay, a full menu. So you have to go to the gray color setting, turn on network internet, Wi-Fi, pairing with your phone hotspot for internet, system, okay, Android version 8.1, 4GB RAM, 2020 January. Okay, and storage. So it's got a 64 storage, 64GB. Okay, phone for Bluetooth pairing for phone call, or click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Play Store, you have to log in your Gmail to download app. Styling control setting, you can do setting. Okay, let me show you for the radio. So you can choose your frequency 1. Okay, and long press it to save. Okay, back to home. Okay, another is car setting, common setting, headlight, follow your headlight. When you turn on the headlight, it's got a light here. Okay, navigation software setting, sound mixing. When you can, the GPS map, the audio can mix with your music. Okay, backlight, system setting, factory setting, factory password is 1617. Okay, you can choose the back car setting or steering setting, and selected car model can do a CANBUS setting. Okay, back to home. Car kit, so you can do the reverse line, left right turn. Okay, aux for the aux video input, and this player got a video output. You can connect to the extension view for connect to the roof monitor and headrest monitor. EQ, so this is the DSP function. Okay, it's got a preset. Let me show you the music. So you can do it manually. You can do anytime to change it your EQ, your EQ setting. Okay. So press confirm. Okay, or you can choose the preset one. Standard, rock, popular, jazz, classic. Okay, this is a preset one. Screen off, nighttime driving. You can turn off the screen when you're driving. The music keep on. You press any way to turn it on. Download YouTube always from the Play Store. you have to sharing your hotspot to the player Wi-Fi. Okay, for copy file, the file manager, file explorer, music. This is internal. When you insert the USB port, so you got a USB showing here. Okay, USB extension is got a 2 USB slot. You put in a drawer. Okay, another one is the 4G SIM card. It's a micro SIM card. After insert the 4G SIM card, you have to restart your car. It's got a GPS antenna, and the 4G antenna is hidden inside. So this is Convex Android Master Series, 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, DSP function, IPS screen, with OEM good fitting casing for Toyota Vellfire Alpha 2015 onward. OEM socket plug and play, OEM camera in socket plug and play to connect original reverse camera. Okay, this is video by OneBiz, installed by OneBiz, and video by Andy. Thank you.